I'm Ben Mastwyk. I'm a lecturer at RMIT. I've been teaching short courses for probably the last 10 years now. The course is Adobe Suite for Design and Presentation. We run through the 3 key design programs, Adobe Illustrator, InDesign and Photoshop. I keep it very, very practical, very hands-on, the fundamentals that you need to do real things in the real world.
I did a lot of research, but I really found out that RMIT offers so many short courses, and some of my friends suggested me to go for RMIT short courses, and I'm very, very happy. Ben is a really great teacher. I knew about Photoshop, and I'm good at Photoshop, but about Illustrator and InDesign, I had no idea. So I feel really now confident to go and design. Even in this really just 4 sessions, I feel really confident to go and start designing a book or catalog or a flyer. This was a great course, and I'm so happy I studied it.
A lot of people come in, do the 4 or 6 sessions and walk away feeling fairly confident to go out and use the software, which is great.